Hello and welcome back to the 2020-2021 school year. I am Mrs. Neidel and I will be your teacher for Consumer Math. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through the Consumer Math Blackboard site. So first thing you do is log into Blackboard and you should see a page like this where it shows your classes on the side. And you will just click on the 2021 Consumer Math site there. And you will come to you actually get to the agenda. It's the first thing there. And you will see that there will be an agenda listed for the week. This is the agenda for this week, September 7th through the 11th. I have chose to do a daily agenda since we have students that will be coming into this physical school building. We have students that will be live streaming. I just thought a daily agenda may be easier for us to stay organized. So this is the agenda. It's a Google slide. You can make it bigger if you click here, but if I click here to make it bigger, you won't be able to see it on the screen. So here's where our weekly agenda will be. You can flip through the slides to to see what you're going to do and to tell you what assignments you have for any given night. So if you go to the next slide here, you'll see on Tuesday we have cohort 1 is face-to-face, and they will be doing welcome back and introduction to course and the teacher during this on Tuesday. Cohort 2 will be doing live stream, and they're going to do some other district activities such as laptop back to basics and digital citizenship. And they also have some mini assignments here that the district would like you to do while you are doing your live streaming. The next day is pretty much the same because cohort 1 will come Tuesday and Wednesday. So cohort 1 will be doing face-to-face on Wednesday. And do the same thing, welcome back. At this day will probably be mostly the introduction to the course and the teacher, and maybe some little icebreakers that we can get to know each other in the class. And cohort 2 will continue to do the digital citizenship, the laptop back to basics, and these little assignments that the district would like you to do. Then on Thursday, we will switch. Cohort 1 will be live stream, and they will be doing the at-home assignments and the activities that the district is asking students to do. And the cohort 2 will be in face-to-face to do their welcome back and their introduction to their course and the teacher. So of course this week is a little different because on Wednesdays we typically are home and working remotely. But the district decided that the first week of school, since there's only 4 days, cohort 1 will come Tuesday, Wednesday, and cohort 2 will come Thursday, Friday. So this is basically where you will find anything that, I guess you get to see what lessons we have, what activities and assignments we have for that given week. The next tab is class content. This is going to be where I put all the material for the course. I will try to link as much as I can into the agenda so that you won't have to be clicking around to find what you need to do. But if there's some things that I'm not able to attach there and link there, I will just have you come into this class content section. All the folders are here. So if we are working on chapter 1, you can simply click on chapter 1, and here's the packet. And there may be some other assignments under here that you need to work on for as we go on during that chapter 1 covering your expenses. The next thing we need to look at is the class information. Here we have an online consumer math book. I did this because I know some students, they don't have books. I actually just have an online book, so I am able to put it up on Active Inspire flip charts. So we will be using those this year. And that will allow me to write on them, and I can go over any problem that you are not understanding or needing help with as well. Here's the class syllabus, so you can read that and review that if you'd like. Next section is teacher contact. This is my teacher contact, eNeidel, my email, eNeidel@northallegheny.org, and here's obviously my work phone is the school. And our office hours will be done on Blackboard Collaborate. I am not sure what hours they will actually be. I will update those whenever I hear from the school. And then the next thing here is my planner. Some students rather look at a calendar than just look at an agenda like that. So this will be updated. Of course, this first week of school will just be all welcome back activities and that type of stuff. So it'll be updated for the next week of the 14th for maybe some assignments that you have to do. If there's, anything, maybe what we're doing that day, just so you're aware of what to expect when you either come into school or whether you are live streaming through the Google or Blackboard Collaborate, The next section we have here is announcements. Here is this is where I'll put any information on that you need to maybe remember to do. If there's anything that comes up while I'm at home and I'm thinking, oh, I need to let them know this, I'll put it on there. You will get an email letting you know that there will be an announcement there so you can look at it. I do have the syllabus here as well. So just a little reminder to make sure you have your parents read and sign your consumer math syllabus. We will go over all of this when you are in class, either Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, Friday. So I just wanted to let you know that's where it is for now. And of course, this video on how to navigate the Blackboard site for this class will be on the announcements as well. So look, the next thing we have is Collaborate. Collaborate, I'm sure you were all familiar with. We used it last year, Blackboard Collaborate, for our office hours when we were doing remote learning in the spring. This is the tool we're using when we are going to be live streaming our sessions, so that when you are at home, you'll be able to get on and be able to see the lesson that your teacher is teaching, so that you will not physically be in the classroom, but you'll be able to feel like you are, because you'll be able to see what's going on and what I am doing in the classroom for those students. So that's going to be a very important part. If anyone has issues with Blackboard Collaborate, you don't know how to work it, we certainly can go over that when you are in school during the week of, well, I guess when we start September 8th, during that week. So please just let me know if you have any problems with knowing how to use Blackboard Collaborate, or if maybe your computer's not working. We're definitely going to check this out and make sure that everybody's able to get on, because this is something you're going to need to be able to do so that you can log in and see the lesson that's being done during the day that you are not in the building. Okay, guys, I think that's all I really have here for as far as the website goes. I went over the main points here that we have. If you have any questions or concerns about anything, please let me know when you are in school, or you can email me at my email address that is under teacher contact, and we can certainly talk about them. All right, well, I look forward to seeing everybody again and meeting new people that maybe I didn't have last year. So that is all. See you on your first day.